Hey Links, it was good to see you guys yesterday over Zoom. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be in school today to work with you directly, but I'm going to have you spend the period working on your sonnet. And as I said yesterday, we're going to try to finish a sonnet fairly complete for Monday. It's okay if it's not perfect. In fact, if it is perfect, the activities we do with it on Monday and Tuesday are not really going to work because you're not going to want to make any changes. So don't commit to anything wholesale. Just make it fairly complete. Be somewhat content with it, and we'll go from there. So you'll work on that today during class, and another 30 minutes or so for homework between now and Monday. And if you have any questions, just click on the Zoom link during class, or perhaps come to the Bobcat Zoom in the afternoon. And I look forward to seeing what you write.